Here we go.
Should we, okay, here we go. You are the winner of the Widebody Ford Raptor plus the $30,000 cash.
Yes.
We're here with Kevin. Kevin's also 31 minutes late. He was supposed to be here at
She's
11.
also not ready to get selfie.
Hey guys, welcome.
You guys are live.
Here we go. Get ready. Ready.
Hey!
Oh!
Who is this?
Hey,
Hey, who is this?
this is Shannon Brown.
Shannon Brown. How are you?
Good. I'm watching you on live feed right now.
You're watching us on the live feed. Well, we're now watching you on the live feed.
I'm in a hospital.
Are you working right now?
Yeah, I'm working in the ICU with COVID patients.
We do have some great news for you, Shannon.
You do?
You are the winner of the Widebody Ford Raptor plus the $30,000 cash. You won. You're the winner. We're live. Instagram, Facebook. We are live right now. You are the winner.
It is insane.
What did you purchase, by the way?
I just purchased a straw hat.
A straw hat. Well, your future, my man, is looking very bright. We got a straw hat for you.
I love you guys.
We love you.
Insane.
We are so excited to welcome you into the Ronan family.
Thank you. I am glad to be in it.
Yeah.
I don't know what to say. Well, thank you.
Yes. Thank you.
God bless all your work.
Thank you guys.
Absolutely.
All right.
See you, Shannon.
I'm going to call my wife now after I clean myself up.
There you go. See you, man.
Thank you.
Yep.
Yeah, see ya.
Bye.
Bye.
So Shannon made a purchase on April 27th, a double entry day. He made a $50 purchase for a straw hat that Scott is wearing. And I got him 100 entries. He is the winner of the Widebody Ford Raptor plus their $30,000 cash. Again, we love you guys. Thank you for tuning in. We will be announcing the vehicle for giveaway number 3 very shortly. Next week, we're going to give you guys a sneak peek, and we also need your help with something on it. So we love you guys, and we'll talk to you soon.
Thank you.
See ya.
My goodness. It's unbelievable. This is insane. I think I'm having a heart attack right now.
We love you. Welcome to the family. We're so excited that it's you guys. And again, thank you for the last 2 months. I mean, I just think that is, I cannot imagine what it's been like. And so for you guys to get this, obviously, someone's looking out for you guys in this world too. So,
Thank you so much. It's so great to meet you guys.
see you guys.
Have a great night.
You
See you
too.
guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh my gosh, they're awesome.
Crazy. 2 for 2.
I love that. Dude, oh my gosh, I love that. They were so kind.
Yeah.
Ah.
It's funny their reaction though. Like that would have been funny to get her.
Her reaction, she said, yeah, she busted out in tears.
Yeah.
Can I have you stop this one?
Your arm hurting.
A little bit.
Getting freaking swole, dude. Dang, crap. I was sweating, dude. I'm like pitting out right now because I was so nervy.